As you can see, Grok is now 48,500 naira compulsory fee to pay before you can use Grok. But if you don't have this amount of money, or if you cannot afford this amount of money, or if this amount of money is too much for you to pay, this is the solution for you. So watch this video and see what you should do so that you still be able to use Grok very easy. Okay, all right, so now let's go. Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. So in this particular tutorial I'm going to show you what you should do if you are not able to subscribe for Grok AI. If you cannot subscribe for Grok AI, maybe you do not have the fund to do that, enough fund to do that. So this is exactly what you should do, and you should still be able to produce your videos. Okay, so this is completely legit. All right, so go to your App Store. If you are using Android, go to your Play Store. If you're using another operating system, just go to the app market of that particular operating system, and then you are going to search for Twitter. So you are going to actually go to use X for this particular experiment that we are doing, but if we search for Twitter, because Twitter is the old name, and then when you search for it, it will come out as X. Okay, so you may not actually search for X if you have not used Twitter before, maybe if you've not installed Twitter before, because if you type yes X, it may actually not bring out this X for you. So just search for Twitter and then you are going to have the X. Okay, so now we open it here. Please install it on your phone. I have installed it before, that is why it is showing open. So please just install it on your phone. So click on open after you have installed it, and then it will bring out this. It will say continue with Google or create accounts. Okay, so what we actually want to do, we want to create an account in X, and then we are going to use that same account in Grok, and I'm going to show you how to set it up, and then I will show you how to upgrade your account in X so that you can also generate videos in Grok. Okay, that is cool. Not so now let's go to create account. So you want to create a new account. Maybe if you were not in Twitter before, you were not in X before, you actually need to create a new account. So just tap on the create account right there, and then this is the name. Just type in your name there. So I'm going to fill in this information and I will show you the next screen. It will also ask you if you should allow notification. So click allow so that you can have notification. So allow X to access your contacts. If you want that, you allow. So here it will ask you to follow one or more accounts, and then you click next. So now we have created our X accounts completely. So we actually want to upgrade. So you see here upgrade. So you need to click on that upgrade. So click on upgrade so that you can upgrade your X account, and then you are going to see different features if you upgrade your X account. So this is the basic, and then in the basic you are going to see different features that you are going to use, and then you see here Grok. So we will not be able to create things inside Grok because we are in the basic account. Okay, so we go inside to this other part that is saying premium. This is the premium. This is the premium plan. So if you click on that premium, you are going to see different features, and you see that premium has Grok AI. So this is the Grok AI, premium has it. So what you just need to do is to register as a premium user. So this one is the premium plus. Okay, and it also has a lot of features too. So let's go for the premium, and the premium price is just 7,600 naira. Okay, all right, so we just go there. So this is starting 7,600 naira. So we click on this. Okay, and then if you are going to choose annually, they are going to give you some discounts, but we want to pay 7,600 naira right now. So now we click on this, and then we click subscribe and pay. So after subscribing, you need to go back to your Grok account, and then just search for your Grok, then tap on your Grok, and then make sure that you log out. So just click on your name there. Just click here on this particular menu here. You see this menu bar here. Just click there so that you can also log out. So click there, and you're going to see your name down here. Okay, click on the name there, and then you go down, then you're going to see sign out. Then this time around, continue with X. Okay, if you click on continue with X, you should be able to continue with X, but the same information you use in your X account is what you should use to log in right now. Then when you continue with X, you should be able to create videos for free because you have already upgraded your X account. So it will allow you to use Grok when you upgrade your X account. Okay, so instead of subscribing for 48,000 naira, instead of subscribing for 48,000 naira, if you are in Nigeria, you should be able to use it without subscription because actually you have subscribed in your X account.